A few years ago, I had a closet full of clothes, and somehow I still had nothing to wear. Maybe you have felt that too. Maybe you buy another sweater, another pair of jeans, another blazer, more shoes, another cute top. You wear it once, and then bloop, it just disappears in your closet. The problem is not that women don't have enough clothes. The problem is that most of us own many clothes that don't work together. And after becoming a mom, I realized something. I literally didn't have the time every morning to stand up in front of my closet and wonder what I'm gonna wear today. No, I just don't have time for that. I needed clothes that work it as hard as I did. So today, if I had to start my closet from scratch, these are the only 16 pieces that I will buy first, because these are the pieces that I will reach over and over again every week. Not because they are super trendy or from the fashion show, but because they make my life easier and I will enjoy getting dressed every single day. Hola, hola. If you are new here, I am Ana Tru. I am a costume designer and I'm a mom of 3 under 3. And one thing that I've been learning after helping women with their wardrobes and also rebuilding my own closet during pregnancy and postpartum is this. A great wardrobe isn't measured by the quantity of the clothes that you own. It's measured by how often do you actually wear it. I probably wear 20% of my closet 80% of the time. And to be most honest, those are the only pieces that deserve to keep this space in my closet and in your closet. So let's build a wardrobe that actually works. Before we start, I want you to notice something. These aren't fashion rules. They are building blocks. Whether your style is classic, minimal, sporty, casual, formal, edgy, or colorful, these pieces adapt to you. Think of them as the foundation for your wardrobe. And your personality, it's what is gonna make it super interesting. Number 1, the perfect t-shirt. If one t-shirt after you put it in the washer gets wrinkly, you can see through or loses shape, is costing you a lot, because that means that you need to invest again time and money to buy a new one. So you're gonna pay attention in the neckline, the weight, the material. Hopefully it's cotton, the fit, and the layering. Remember, we are adapting that t-shirt to your style and your needs, but it needs to be a quality t-shirt. Second, essential tanks. Not because they are super exciting, but because those solve problems. Under sweaters, under blazers, travel, summer, postpartum. A white cotton shirt. This might be my hardest worker in my closet. You can use it half tucked, with denim, with leggings, with trousers, with a blazer. I mean, just get that one. A good quality white cotton t-shirt. Do me that favor. 4, a relaxed button up. This piece is just super versatile. You can take it to the beach, to travel, to the office, to the airport, just for layering. You can wear it with leggings, with jeans. Number 5, straight jeans. Number 6, tailored trousers. This is just my secret to look put together in 5 minutes. You can combine trousers in many ways and they give you this super put together look right away. Number 7, great leggings. Trust me, as a mom, these are not optionals. They are a must in your closet. Chunky knit, lightweight knit, and a tailored blazer. This is the fastest way to make an outfit look super intentional. Number 11, a gray jacket. Here you're gonna choose a jacket that adapts to your weather, where you live, your lifestyle. For me right now, I live in the United States. We are plenty summer. It's a little bit humid, rainy. For me, it's a lightwear jacket with pockets. It works perfect. I have it in black and in beige. The everyday dresses. I love dresses. I just love dresses because they don't require thinking. You just put on your dress, one layer, accessories, and you are ready to go. There are 4 categories that you should have. Probably your sport shoes, your casual shoes, your more formal shoes, and the shoes that you wear in your house. Again, we are not doing a rule here. I'm giving you the ideas so you can adapt to your lifestyle, your weather, where you live, everything. For me, I have sandals, sneakers, loafers, and heels. Not too tall, but I have heels. For you, it can be everyday sneaker, flats, sandals, boots. Just think about your lifestyle. If you want to be even more intentional with this video, I will link down below a video in my capsule wardrobe so you can have a more clear idea on how to organize your wardrobe. These are the pieces that make people think that you're the most stylish people in the world. So we're gonna choose a belt, you're gonna choose intentional jewelry, a bag, sunglasses, and a scarf. And again, these pieces doesn't need to be expensive at all. They just need to be intentional, and again, that they are easy, express who you are, and elevate who you are today. And here's what I want you to remember after watching this video. A wardrobe isn't successful because it's full of clothes. It is successful because it supports your life. When every single piece works for you, everything else feels easy, intentional, you enjoy getting dressed. You spend less time getting dressed, avoiding decision fatigue. You invest smarter in your clothes, in your shoes, in your accessories, in everything in your closet, and your closet starts feeling lighter, even if you never buy a thing again. And before you go, I want you to help me answering this question in the comments. Which of these 16 staples do you wear the most? And which one do you think your wardrobe is missing? I love reading your answers because those answers also support my ideas for future videos. So let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you somehow, please remember to like, subscribe, share with someone that might find it helpful. For now, just be kind to yourself, love yourself, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.